In the current digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for both companies and individuals. A visually appealing and user-friendly website is a powerful platform for showcasing ideas, content, or products. Today, we will walk you through the essential elements and steps to create a website like Pinterest. Pinterest is a visual discovery engine that allows users to browse and save ideas on various topics, including DIY projects, fashion, food, and interior design. Founded by Ben Silbermann, Evan Sharp, and Paul Sciarra in March 2010, Pinterest quickly gained popularity for its unique method of organizing and discovering images and infographics. By December 2011, Pinterest had over 10 million users, making it one of the fastest-growing social media networks at the time. As of 2024, Pinterest boasts over 500 million active monthly users and generated $3.8 billion in revenue in 2023. To build a website like Pinterest, start by choosing the right platform. Content management systems, CMS, like WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal offer pre-made frameworks and plugins. Website builders like Wix, Squarespace, and Weebly provide drag-and-drop interfaces for easy website creation. Alternatively, custom development using frameworks like Laravel or React and programming languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript can offer more flexibility. Next, register a domain and hosting. Choose a domain name that reflects your brand and is easy to spell. Consider SEO and legalities when selecting your domain. For hosting, options include shared hosting, virtual private server, VPS, and dedicated servers. Ensure your hosting provider offers good performance, uptime, customer support, scalability, and security features like SSL certificates and backup services. Creating a visual pinboard is a fundamental feature. Allow users to upload and display images in formats like JPEG, PNG, and GIF. Organize pins into boards with drag-and-drop functionality and customization options. Enable users to add descriptions and comments to pins for better context and engagement. Implement social features to enhance user interaction. Allow users to follow other users and boards, like and comment on pins, and share pins on other platforms. Notifications can keep users updated on new content from those they follow. Incorporate user-generated content by allowing users to submit their pins easily. Ensure the upload process is smooth on all devices, especially mobile. Curate and moderate content with clear guidelines, automated filters, manual review, and community moderation. Implement reporting and flagging features to maintain a safe and respectful environment. Adding search and discovery functionality is crucial for user engagement. Implement advanced search filters to help users find specific content quickly. Use artificial intelligence AI algorithms to suggest tailored content based on user interactions, enhancing the discovery experience. Building a website like Pinterest involves careful planning and execution. By choosing the right platform, registering a suitable domain and hosting, designing an intuitive user interface, developing a robust backend, and incorporating essential features, you can create a visually appealing and user-friendly website. With these steps, you can establish a strong online presence and engage users effectively.